Planning to sell your old iPhone and need to prepare it? This video shows you the essential steps in under 1 minute. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, it is incredibly important that you create a full backup of your iPhone, either to iCloud or to a computer. Once you have a backup, you will need to open the main settings application from your iPhone's home screen. Inside the settings menu, you should find and tap on the General option to see more system-wide settings. Now, you must scroll down to the bottom of the page and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the next screen, you will need to tap the Erase All Content and Settings option to begin the reset process. Tap Continue. Tap Erase iPhone. Write your passcode. Write if you have the screen time password. After the screen time is written, a backup of your phone will be uploaded to iCloud. If you already did the backup, you can tap on Skip Backup. After the backup is loaded onto iCloud, the phone will restart. The phone will start. This will make the phone ready to be sold. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.